Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change your Apple ID password directly on your iPhone running iOS 15. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on your Apple ID. Then tap on Password and Security. In here, tap on Change Password. And then you put in your current iPhone password. Next, in here you can put in the new password. Okay, so I have put in the new password. You also need to put in the password again to verify it. It said your password must be at least 8 characters, include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. And then tap on change. And if you follow the rules correctly, it should work. Otherwise, it says it will give you an error message. It says choose different password. Your new password must be different than the one of the password you have used in the last year. And then tap on OK. So again, if you put in a reuse the same password that you have previously used, you will need to change it. And that's it. Once you tap on the change button, you will be able to change the password. And that is how you can change the password on your iPhone running iOS 15. So this is for your Apple ID password. Thank you for watching.